Can I sell a car with hail damage? Have you ever wondered if you can sell a car that has been hit by hail? The answer is yes, you can sell a car with hail damage, but there are some important points to consider. First, it is essential to be honest about the damage when talking to potential buyers. You need to disclose all visible hail dents and any repairs that have been done. Being transparent helps build trust and avoids future issues. When it comes to the value of your car, hail damage can significantly lower it. For instance, if your car was worth $50,000 before the damage, it might only sell for $40,000 or even less if the dents are not fixed. Buyers often think about the cost of repairs and any future problems that could arise from the damage. Hail dents can affect the car's look and may lead to rust or other mechanical issues down the line. If you decide to repair the hail damage before selling, it could help you get a better price and attract more buyers. A repaired car looks better and reduces worries about rust or hidden problems. However, if you choose not to repair the damage, be ready to accept a lower price and provide a detailed mechanical inspection report. This report can help buyers understand the car's condition beyond just the cosmetic issues. There are several ways to sell a car with hail damage. You can sell it as is, being upfront about the damage. This option might appeal to buyers looking for a lower price or those willing to handle repairs themselves. Another option is to have a professional evaluate the damage and provide repair cost estimates. This can help justify your asking price. If the damage is too severe, you might consider selling the car for parts. In some cases, if an insurance company has declared the car a total loss, you could buy it back and sell it independently. From an insurance standpoint, comprehensive coverage usually protects against hail damage. If you file a claim, the insurance company may pay for repairs or declare the car a total loss if the damage is extensive. If the car is totaled, its title may be marked as salvage, which can affect its resale value. You will need to disclose this to potential buyers. In summary, selling a car with hail damage is entirely legal, but it requires honesty and an understanding of how the damage impacts the vehicle's value. Repairing the damage can improve your return, but selling it as is also an option if you clearly communicate the car's condition. Keeping good documentation and being transparent will help ensure a smooth transaction.